Nice one, cool dudes. It is a freezing cold January morning and I'm here in Wootton on the Isle of Wight, about to undertake the Wootton Creek and Coastline walk. And this walk is designed by a local heritage initiative. It's 4 miles long, should take me about 2.5 hours. All right, I better not stand still because my hands are freezing. All right, good luck everyone, especially me. Even the local information board has frozen up. According to the information board, King Canute once landed here. And I spoke to a very nice local lady who told me that the Sloop Inn was, like many places on the island, a centre for smuggling. And they used to come up the creek and put their goods in the cellar. There is something about the winter sun making everything look wonderful. I think because it's so low. Keep your eyes peeled, cool dudes. PGL, Little Canada. I got sent on a PGL one summer when I was about 8 and I absolutely hated it. And they put us in these dormitories. There's one kid who just talked constantly all night long, kept everyone awake. But luckily on the second day, he ran to a wasp nest and got stung. So he got sent home, and after that it was better. I think you can walk down this road to see the creek. Who knows? Can you see him, cool dudes? What is that bird sound, please? Right below. I'm retracing my steps along this path. It was worth going to the first exit, but not the second one. It really annoys me when pathways are pretty precarious, and I feel sorry for older people who might struggle getting down there and back up again. The shore. Yes, please. Very peaceful, cool dudes. It's about 11:15, 20 past 11, so I'm halfway between low tide and high tide. You need to check your tide times before you do this walk and come as close to low tide as possible. The path is a bit precarious as well. You all right, mate? Time to go back inland, sadly. Oh, looks like a pigeon got caught here. Oh dear. I always like seeing how thick the ice was from the freeze the night before. Pretty good. The best thing about walking is that it allows your mind to wander a bit, cool dude. Blimey, I bet I look like an egg in this light, don't I? Anyway, I was thinking about my brother, who is now a full-time writer. Here are some of his brilliant books. Please get them from non-Amazon related sites because the profits you get from Amazon are terrible. Anyway, We used to share a room when we were young, and at bedtime I would always try and get him to tell me a story. And I was a bit obsessed with the Wacky Races at the time, and I wanted him to tell me a version where my favourite character, called Freddy the Frog or something, I can't remember what it was, won. And he'd tell me these stories, but after a while he changed them, so at the last minute my least favourite character, Millie the Maggot, always won. I found it all very traumatic and upsetting before bed, but maybe that's what inspired him to become a writer. Who knows, cool dudes. God, what are these? That looks like a badger hole. Is it? Pretty big. Look at that one. Anyway, cool dudes, the question of the day is a simple one. I was curious about the people who watch the channel, so what is your job? And what inspired you to do it, if anything? Please write below. I'll be very interested to read your comments. Some cool stuff for the prize draw. The lady at the start of the walk told me there was a local called William Delisle, who was one of the people who plotted to rescue Charles II from Carisbrooke Castle, but the plot failed, and the plotters fled to Wootton Creek, where they got a boat and went off to France or somewhere, and they returned when the Royalists gained power again, and they were honoured. And William Delisle is buried under the carpet here. Not literally under the carpet, in the tomb under the carpet. It would be bad if he was just under the carpet. A good spot for lunch, cool dudes. Lunch is sausage sandwich, sweet chilli, crisp, apple, water. Nice one. That was a great spot to do a sketch, cool dudes. I'll bore off, sketch boy. Coming to the end of the walk now, cool dudes, and I think the star was the winter sun. If you enjoy this walk and would like to help me make more, please consider joining the Cool Dudes Walking Club, which funds this channel and my day-to-day life. And in return, you get to watch these videos that are for members only and use these emojis, and also get entered into the prize draw. You can pay from 99p a month up to all these different tiers. All right, let's finish this off. Nice one, cool dudes. I'm stopping at this bus stop just before the Wootton Bridge where I started, because I think I'll miss the bus if I carry on walking that far down. Boring details. That walk was 3 hours long, 5.12 miles. A very good walk. Thoroughly recommend it. Alright, thanks for watching. Prize draw for cool dudes coming up next. Also send your keyring photos in. Oh yeah, one more thing. Stay cool. Oh, I must say that is beautiful. One of my favourites so far. Look at the way the light dances across the creek. I want to buy it. It's an original, it's framed. I painted it in acrylic wash. It's a masterpiece. It's worth £1 million, but it could be yours if you bid on eBay. Starting price, just £7. What a bargain. Well, cool dudes, if you're still watching, it means you're probably a YouTube member. Thank you for your support, and you are eligible for this week's prize draw. Currently there are 467 incredible cool dudes helping me out on this channel, and this week's prize draw is for the following: These beautiful earrings made by Marmu, an Isle of Wight jewellery designer. A ghost hunter badge. A keyring by Cow's Laser. A keyring of Marek with his head slightly split open. The stickers, the Sundown Clown magazine, strawberry laces, a crumpled Wootton Bridge postcard and bookmark. Who could ask for more? Random number generator. Generate me a number. Generate 50. The 50th longest serving member on YouTube, who's been a member for 29 months, is Mirrorly. Thank you, Mirrorly. Please email me at calldudeswalkingclub@gmail.com with your address to send the goods to. Also, if you have a keyring picture, please email me at the same address, as it will go in the gallery at the end. That is it. Thanks, cool dudes. I hope you're enjoying yourselves wherever you are. Oh yeah, one more thing. Stay cool.